Are you dreaming of a green yard, a deep, green, healthy lawn that not only looks good, but is also a place that you and your family can enjoy? Achieving the yard you've always wanted is attainable, but having the right products is critical to your success. Welcome to North Carolina, everybody. I am back here with my friend and neighbor, Sammy, who has once again stepped up his yard game by feeding it, by nourishing it, and I would imagine that this is an oasis that you can enjoy with your family all year long, right?
That's right. It's really important for me to have a nice green, lush lawn that my family and I can enjoy. But, you know, the real thing is I don't want it to be a full-time job for me.
Right. Nobody wants that, but you have to keep in mind curb appeal because it's important for you. It's important, I'm sure, to your entire neighborhood.
That's right. All of my neighbors take a great deal of pride in their lawns. And, you know, as you're driving through the neighborhood and up and down the street, the first thing that you see is everybody's lawn. And you know I want my lawn to look great.
Sammy, tell me what it is that you normally do when it comes to your lawn care.
Well, in the spring, the important thing is to repair winter damage. I look for a fertilizer that I can apply one time and it's going to feed the lawn and nourish the lawn all season long. The last thing I want, though, is to be mowing all season because of excessive growth.
Let's go check out your lawn.
Yeah, let's go take a look.
I don't see any weeds in your yard. What about weeds?
Beth, you know, nobody likes weeds. Dandelions, crabgrass, they only take away from the health and appearance of your lawn. I usually look for a weed and feed fertilizer that takes care of both crabgrass and kills broadleaf weeds.
It sounds like there could be a situation that you run into using lots of different products at different times, and it could get really complicated.
That's why I use GreenView Premium Formula Spring Fertilizer with weed and feed plus crabgrass preventer. And it kills weeds to the root.
We're so lucky to have Nicole Blawyer with us. She is the Director of Marketing at GreenView, and she's here to tell all of us about how we can achieve success with our lawns. And the great thing about GreenView, it sounds like it's super easy to use, but you still get professional results.
That's right. So all of our fertilizers are formulated to have proprietary technology that allows homeowners to achieve a professional-looking lawn all on their own.
I noticed that we have several different products here. So these are different products for different times. They're not supposed to be used together.
That's right. So we have our spring fertilizer here. This is a 3-in-1. It does the weed and feed, the crabgrass control, and then the fertilizing. It is formulated to feed for up to 6 months. Our slow release nutrient, it is proprietary. We actually don't use any plastic coatings that some other fertilizer brands would use. So when the fertilizer is all used up by the grass, there's no microplastics left behind.
I see you also have pure grass seed. Tell me about that.
That's right. So we've got our pure grass seed. It's pure because it doesn't have any coatings, and basically that means you get more coverage for the amount of grass seed you're buying because it doesn't have all that coatings taking up the space in there. It is 99% weed-free. It is heat and drought tolerant, guaranteed to germinate, and it establishes quickly.
So even people who don't have green thumbs can use this. And I love it because less product equals less effort, which equals less waste.
That's right. It's very convenient. It's actually tested. We've developed it with universities and it performs very well, so you actually don't need as many inputs to get the grass to grow. So you don't have to water it as often. It is very traffic tolerant. It stands up to pet wear and all of that.
Kids too.
And it's actually made in the USA, and it's some of the best grass seed you can get in the country.
Is this grass seed just for bare spots, or is this something you can use on your entire lawn?
So you can actually use it on your entire lawn to newly seed a brand new lawn, overseed your lawn, or repair bare spots.
So for both, that's impressive. What about for people who are nervous about buying a product for the first time that they've never used? Is there a guarantee?
So what's great about our GreenView products is that we stand behind all of them. The performance is guaranteed as long as people are using them properly. We actually have an annual lawn plan where a homeowner could sign up for that, and we do all the research on the weather and the conditions in their area, and we ship the product at the time that they should apply it to their lawn. So they don't have to do any of the thinking, any of the guesswork. We do it all for them and just deliver it to their door.
Wow, that is so incredible. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Are you ready for a weed-free, beautiful yard? Just visit greenviewfertilizer.com or head over to our website, designingspaces.tv, for more information.